What's up, everyone? So if you guys are following me on Instagram, you would have seen that I've sold my B8S4. I've been drilling over a specific car lately and now and in the market for one since I've sold the B8S4. It's taken me quite some time to look for this specific car. So in the meantime, I picked up a little daily driver. So the daily driver that I picked up is a Mark IV Jetta, and I have a lot of experience with this platform. So I was just like, hey, might as well pick up another one. And also, I really miss the sound of a VR, so I had to get a VR Mark IV Jetta. Anyways, check it out and let me know what you guys think. So there it is, guys. I actually really enjoy driving this little VR. Gas mileage is much better too compared to when I was dailying the truck. But this guy isn't perfect, but pretty good for the price I got it for. Still needs actually a lot of, no, I wouldn't say a lot, but just a few here and there, tiny little work. And those work actually doesn't affect the drivability of it, so it doesn't bother me too much. For example, if you can see here, the trunk clear coat is coming off. Same for the rear bumper. The little antenna base is all rotten, so I gotta replace that. Clear coat on these side mirrors. And that paint is pretty good actually. Front lip has a little crack. Some little engine details, coolant hose routing, evap system, but no lights on for those. Oh yeah, and the ignition system setup on the steering wheel is also kind of janky, so I gotta fix that up. And then the side view mirror electronic adjuster. That's everything that I've noticed so far. But other than that, been dailying it for a couple of weeks, and it's actually pretty enjoyable. So also, as you can see, it also already has a little few mods when I bought it. Currently is on lowering springs, looks to be like new speed. The springs are yellow, and these not so good looking drift racing wheels that I plan to replace real soon. Also has some, or the wiring set up for some subwoofers and stuff, but I don't plan to put any sound system on here, so I'm gonna take that out. And it also had a muffler delete replacement with a branded muffler called what was it, Wicked Flow. So and it also had a intake system. The intake system was a what was it, I can't remember exactly. Let's actually check it out. The Ram Air, that's what it was, yeah. So not too bad for what it is. So anyways, stay tuned for a small little, simple build, nothing too crazy. Maybe just gonna get a nice set of wheels, some coilovers, and some little things here and there. So let me know what you think about this cheap little daily driver for the meantime until I can find the replacement for the B8S4. Anyways, Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to help support my channel. Comment any feedback about videos about the Jetta, and don't forget to like this video if you like the new little cheap daily beater. Thanks guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.